Hello, my name is Austin Smith, and this is my Ionic Compound Test Reassesment. I get number 17 wrong, which was to basically generalize and describe where the atoms on the periodic table are located. Groups 1 through 16 carry metal atoms, while a single atom in group 1 and groups 13 through 18 carry nonmetals. The nonmetals carry over the metals in groups 13 through 16 with a diagonal line cutting across, so the metals being on the bottom and the nonmetals being on top. Number 18 was asked to give a particle diagram of magnesium bromine 2. This is shown here. Was providing an explanation of valence electrons in relation to forming ionic bonds. Valence electrons conforming to the octet rule form ionic bonds by exchanging with the electrons of the other atom to fill the outermost shell in order to stabilize the atom. 31. I was asked, what is the charge of copper and copper 2 fluoride? II fluoride. I got +2 because copper is a transition metal and the charge is given in copper II fluoride, so copper's charge is +2. 32. What is the charge of iron in the compound iron phosphide? I got +3 because phosphorus has a charge of -3, so iron has a charge of +3. 33. I got what is the charge of copper in Cu2O3? Copper has a charge of +3 to stabilize with oxygen's charge of -3. 38. I was asked to provide chemical formulas for neutral ionic compounds. 38, I got gold isulfate, so the chemical formula was AU2SO4. 39 was nickel II phosphide, so I got Ni2P. 45, I was asked to provide the chemical name for the following neutral ionic compounds, and the chemical formula was Fe2O3. The chemical name is iron III oxide because the neutral ion has an LCM of 6 atoms. The charge of the iron atom must be +3. 46 was Cu2CO3, so I get carbon II carbonate because carbonate has a charge of -2, so copper must have a charge of +2 to stabilize the ion. 47, I was given, made up atoms, and I was supposed to form a chemical name with the chemical formula given. I got Zeus I Hurane. Hurane has a charge of -1 because it has 7 out of 8 of its valence electrons filled. So Zeus must have a charge of +1 to stabilize the ion.